spices. She had like all the smoke shop, and she just specialized in spices. I forget her name, but she's been in some other movies too. And you hear like American, young American actress, and they have her all over this dress.
Mint condition Land Cruiser. Wow, even if they are not painted and they are not shiny and swanky, as far as they've got their jewelries, they are intact, they come for shows, it's amazing. It's like a priceless car.
Doesn't this car look like it belongs to Sandy? Like he should have this car. He just had like his look, Sandy, everything about it. It's like Sandy needs this car in his life.
Slick as hell, man. Check out the rims, everything's fucking.
You had something like this, Sandy?
There's a little love affair going.
Wow,
Love
wow.
affair going over here.
Man, this is in mint condition.
Yeah, that's
All right, buddy. Nice again, brother. This one I can call
My God, wow.
Oh yeah. So he said that if he gets this car, he'd have to grow a mustache. True
Man, you
story.
got that long hair, the mustache will just be perfect,
This is
bro.
him right now. This
Out
is his.
there?
This is his car look.
Into the hair.
Or you can do it like this.
Yeah, there you go.
Here you go.
That is
This is his
slick.
look for the car. No, he's not interested. He's like,
He's got his video.
I think I might have got you walking in.
Sandy.